Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to change the currency on Wix. It's very easy, so I'm going to show you that right away. So you want to go to the dashboard of Wix and then go to the settings right here. And once you're in general info, you want to scroll all the way down, and right here you can see your original settings, language, currency and time zone. And yeah, you can change the currency right here. So it's currently set on euros, but you can change it to whatever you like. And yeah, that's basically it. So you can just select wait, where is it at? Select US dollars right here. Change your currency and then just click on got it. And then click on save right here. And your info has been saved. And that will save your currency. So yeah, I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.